There is a lot of confusion and out-of-date information about the price of Unreal Engine or the Unity game engine. In this video I will show you exactly what pricing model you have to choose and what you have to pay. First of all, I go to the standard download page of Unreal Engine. There are two options, a publishing license or a creator's license. The creator's license is completely free, but is used outside of game development. So for personal projects or for other industries, for students, educators and personal learning. For most people, they want to use Unreal Engine for game development and to publish it commercially. In that case, you will need the publishing license. Now, either way, any download button that you will click, you will get the exact same engine, and it's the full complete engine. But this one is free to use unless your product succeeds. And this means until you make $1 million in gross revenue. This doesn't mean profit, but revenue. So when you make $1 million with your product, you have to pay $50,000, so 5% of your product. For most indie game developers, this won't happen. I hope you do, but it probably won't happen. So that is the price of Unreal Engine. Now there are other licensing options, and that is more for the big firms. You can ask for a custom license and you have to negotiate certain terms. So if you're not happy with the 5%, you can negotiate with Unreal Engine. Now let's compare this to Unity. Unity is also free to use until you make $100,000 in the last 12 months with their product. So if you make more than $100,000, until then it's free, but from then you have to go to the Plus plan. And that's about $400 per year for each seat. And if you make more than $200,000, you go to the Pro license, which is about $1,800 per year. Now Enterprise is for the bigger firms, the bigger studios. So what is now the cheapest? Well, it depends. If you are an indie game developer that makes less than $1 million with their product, Unreal Engine is a cheaper engine. But when you go above $1 million, 5%, which comes to $50,000 for $1 million revenue, is way more than a Pro seat. So from $1 million, the Unreal Engine is more expensive. But I would say choose whatever engine you feel best with, because you will be better with the engine that you enjoy, and you will be very happy to pay these amounts if you succeed with your product. Now, of course, it's better to keep everything, but that's how things work. Like, if you make $1 million, I'd be glad to pay 5% of the engine that made this possible. Same with the Pro license here. So, for myself, I went with the Unreal Engine plan for the 5% royalty, but I haven't made $1 million yet. Probably never will, but well, we can keep on dreaming. So that was the engine comparison to price. This is the real information as of this day today. Okay, hope this helped. Please like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell symbol. That way you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to have a great day. See you next time.